Now that we're set up, we're going to start with our multicam editor. This is one of the best features that I have used for editing podcasts because it just saves an insane amount of time. Here we're going to add our raw files and select everything, bring it over here. This is 3 separate shots. One is going to be the host right here, and one is going to be the guest, and one is both of them combined. Just set this up however you prefer it. I prefer my combined shot to be in V3 and the host in A1 and the guest to be in A2. All right, once that is set up, you can see here you can label them guest, host. You can add up to 8 speakers if you want, but I only have 2 here, so I'll just have 2. And here you can label them, and host, guest, you can label everybody, and this is all speakers. As you can see, it's already labeled. And once that is done, you just go down here, and there's multiple settings available. You can also create your custom settings. Experiment and see what works for you. So I'm just going to create multicam sequence. Now before that, one last thing, you can do cut and remove, and you can disable. It depends on how you prefer it, because if you put cut and remove, it just removes everything that's not on screen. I personally just prefer to disable everything. Let's put disabled and create multicam sequence. It should take less than a minute or 2. It is just so fast. If I was doing this myself, it would take me hours. It's done. We had 430 camera switches. I'll just go in and show you.
The almanac and the ball.
You can see it recognizes who's speaking at what time. And also we have another thing, the cutaways, where if one person's speaking for too long, you can set the duration if one person speaks more than 3 seconds for the camera to switch, because honestly, it just gets a bit boring after a while. So it makes things interesting. You can set this up however you like it.